Hi students, today we are going to learn SST's third number lesson, My Country and Its Landscape. So we are going to learn through this lesson about location of India on the world's map, political division of India and physical division of India. We are going to learn in that lesson. So let us go to learn warm-up activity. So here warm-up activity is there. On a political map of India, mark the states you live in. So here, as a political map of India, you want to mark which state we are living in the map. So we are living in the Maharashtra. So we want to highlight Maharashtra here and write a few lines on the location of your state on the map. So we want to write few lines about Maharashtra, our state and its locations. We want to write few lines on it. So here you can use to write here, I am living in Maharashtra. There is a beautiful tourist places where there are beautiful tourist places are there. So you can write some name of the tourist places. Educational places are there that you can write, and whatever important places are there you can mention in this line about Maharashtra. So think about it. All the states together make up a country. So all states are come together and it is become our India, our country. So let us learn the lesson. Look ahead. Through that lesson we are going to learn location of India on the map, on the world map, political division of India and physical division of India, that we are going to learn. So first point we are going to start, knowing our country. So India is in the southern part of the continent of Asia. So our India is placed to the Asia's southern side. It is the 7th largest and second most populated country in the world. So our India is the largest country, and in the world our India is the 7th number large among of all, and second number populated country in the world. First one is China and second number is India for a populated country. Means people are more in India. It stretches about 3,214 kilometers from north to south, means up and down. The area is 3,214 kilometer is there, and 2,933 kilometer from east to west. Our India's size from east to west, left to right, if we are measuring, it is 2,933 kilometer area is available of our country. So next point, location. Being located in the southern part of Asia, India is surrounded by water on three sides. So as India is southern side of Asia, so our southern part of our country is surrounded by the water, ocean. So all the three sides there is water of our country. The Bay of Bengal on the east. So east side, if you are looking, there is a Bay of Bengal. The Arabian Sea on the west and the Indian Ocean on the south. So Arabian Ocean to the west side, where is the Mumbai, that side there is Arabian Sea, and Indian Ocean at the bottom at the south side. We can look. So Bay of Bengal to the east side, there Kolkata is placed. So India shares its border with Pakistan. Our neighbor countries are there. First Pakistan and Afghanistan to the northwest side. If you are looking in the India's map, there is a Pakistan and Afghanistan. We can look to the northwest side. Then China, Nepal and Bhutan. It is a place to north and northeast side of our country. If you are looking in the map, Nepal, China, Bhutan, those are placed north and northeast side. And Myanmar and Bangladesh, those are placed to our India's east side. And then Sri Lanka and Maldives lies to the south of the country and are India's neighbors. And Sri Lanka and Maldives are placed to the south side. Those are islands, just like looking in the water. And those countries are our neighbors. So we have learned knowing our country in that location in this video. Next video we are going to know about state and union territories of India. Thank you. Have a nice day.